Are you a Windows user? If your answer is yes, you know that Windows have problem with the search part. And in my case, when, for example, you wanted to search your files on the Windows search, you cannot find anything. You find nothing. Okay, so what should we do? Uh, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a good software we can, or I can say, we are going to install it together, and I'm going to teach you the way you can work with it. The benefits of this software is the speed of search. Okay, the speed of, for example, searching the file is too better, and this software works best. So if you have this, you will love your PC. Just you, for example, the file name that you wanted to search for it is, for example, speed. Again, speed. Okay. When you type the first characters, if you type, for example, S and P, all of the files that have this S and P on their name shows to you, and you can select with this. Okay, this is a good feature. So if you forget all of the name of that file, you can do what? You can type, for example, the things that you remember from that. Okay, uh, so right now I think you are interested and you wanted to know what's the name of this software, how you can download it, and how you can do the other things. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you the name of this software is Search Everything. This is the name of the software. Sorry I type it as fast and these things happen. Okay. The name of that is Search Everything. With this software, we are going to do the other things. We are going to install this software in our operating system, I mean in our Windows, and you will see what's the difference between searching with this software and the normal search with the Windows. Jump to the screen. Okay guys, so let's go and do the other things. Okay, as you can see, I installed this software and I actually have it, but when I do these things, I will be update this app in my case, in my operating system. Okay, so let's do it. That's not different, it doesn't have any difference. For example, like the first start, it doesn't have any difference. So you will go to this website, which I put the link on the description. You can press on that and check this website. You'll be on there. Okay, on the everything. Okay, we have download installer 64-bit, and this is for the 32-bit. If your operating system is 32-bit, press and download this file from there. And if your operating system is 64-bit, you can press on that. Okay, I press on download 64-bit. I choose the desktop. I press on save. As you can see, it is 1 megabyte. Okay, I double click, and as you can see, you can see the choose the language. Okay, by default is English. We didn't change it. I press on the OK. You need to press on the agree, and this is the folder. This is the part that this software is going to install. Okay, I press on next. You mustn't change anything from this place. Okay, don't change anything and press it. On here, because this software is free, you can click on check for updates on the startup. Okay, when the update is available, it will tell it to you and it's going to install it. Okay, these are the options for this application. If you want, you can check them or uncheck them. It depends on you. Okay, I just check this part because it's good, and I press on the install. Okay, if you press on the show detail, you see the details that happens by installing the DLLs or the extraction folders, this type of things. Okay, all done. The app install and run everything. Okay, I press on finish and everything run. As you can see, on the first time of the boot, it takes a few seconds to show the details, but after that, when you double click, all of the things will be available. Okay, for example, type I wanted to find my, for example, movie folder. I type movie. All of the folders that contains movie, when I scroll, I see all of the folders that contains movie on their name. For example, movies, movie, and on here, movie, and you can see the I can say file path on there. Sorry, I blur this part, but on your PC, you will see these things. Okay, on the movies, for example, these are the movies that I want. I click on that. As you can see, the movies I have is in there, and I can do the other things. Okay, all of the things that I want, it will be available in there. For example, I press on the learning, or I press on YouTube. Type YouTube. All of the things that in my computer contains YouTube, it will show you in there. Okay, all done. Let's talk about the setting of them. Okay, on the it has an advanced search, and is a good thing, but I didn't use it a lot. I don't use it even though I don't use it. On the search part, when you press on the search, and on here you will see advanced search. When you go to the advanced search, for example, you will see all these words. For example, you type some words such as one movie or this type of things, and it will search just these words. This extract phrase, for example, when you type, for example, the movie with the capital M, is only search the folders that contains movie with the capital letter distinct, exact distinct. Any of these words. Okay, for example, if you press mass, or if you press video, any. Okay, each one of them. And none of these words, for example, when the search complete, for example, on here I have the beat. For example, later I press on the beat, type beat in here. Okay, then I search. All of the things shows to me except this folder. Okay, these are all of the things. And when you're done, you mustn't type all of them, just the target one. I just type it to show you. Okay, for example, this. When you press OK, you see the things that, as you can see, there's a lot. Okay, this is a good way for advanced search, and this is a good option. This is the best application to search on the Windows. For example, anything I need. For example, the everything app, which is on the desktop. As you can see users, desktop. This is the fastest app. I hope you like it, and I hope you use it. If you like this content, press the like button and type something on the comment section. Thanks. Okay, in this video, at first you will learn how to download it. Done. This shape. Then you will learn or I can say we learned, not we, how to install it, okay, how to work with it. This is the most important thing. How you can work with this software. Okay, we tell it on this video, and on the final part, we have the advanced stage. This is another good option for that, and we learn this. Okay, I check it. All done. All the things we wanted to know about everything complete. I hope you like this video, and if you like this type of contents, please subscribe in our channel. And if you like this type of tricks, so I put a playlist in there, you can press on that and watch that playlist. I put these cool trick notes on there. Good.